Yo, what's up? We're going to talk about two best side hustles for 2015 for students. First one I would say is business credit, and the second one I would say is MVPs. Like, so basically, building business credit, getting an LLC escort for like 300. It's all gonna be like less than a few dollars. I got a video how to get a job. You want to get like two of those, stack up, get like a few bands less than that. This we goal is to get this right here. And look, then you want to aim to get it's like net 30s, right? Virtual Opus. There's two credit lines in that. Uline, Quill, Granger. Boom. Like $50 a month for 3 months. Boom. Like it's all like happening. Boom. In like 90 days around there, you do this great. Like around there, you could get it. But now you got fleet cards, store cards, BP, Chevron, Exxon, Home Depot. After that, same deal. Alright, boom. Now you at the big boys here. You bring all your documents from business credit in branch. So at a Sam's Club, you're gonna get approved for like 15K. You wanna go to FNBO, it's a credit union, community bank, that's a credit union, NASA Federal Credit Union. Boom. You wanna branch all of these. Bring like small fees. You wanna with the jobs and all that, like just in case, like like PenFed too. You wanna go in branch and ask for approximately like after you pay $50 a month on 5 net 30s minimum, you got great credit. Tell them, look, I got a corporation that has great credit. Approximately like how much could y'all offer me for having great credit on this corporation? And I can start building a relationship and increase my credit with y'all. Boom, they're gonna tell you approximate like amount, like how much. And you tell yo, you know what? Like I take like 2,000 less. Be cool, and then you want a credit stack as many branches. Boom. DCU, another credit union. You can do this with all of these, and branch is better. Then you want to go to a bank near you and get merchant services or processing. Tell them like when you create a website, WordPress, Elementor, Fiverr, make it like solutions. Um, Real estate, you need to get no like I just don't make it like drugs, gambling, anything like that. Like London's not gonna approve you. Or anything. Make it as low risk as possible, like as solutions, real estate stuff like that, like marketing, consulting, solutions. Then what they don't want to see is like motherfucking about trap house, fucking crack, about gambling, like credit, shit that's risky. They're not gonna approve you. So you want to make it like low risk. So it's like, he does real estate, he does solutions. Oh, we know those are low risk. Boom, because they make it feel like they could like they risk themselves, mitigate it. Like, oh, we took a few of those before. Like it feels like we could color, we like realistically like we could collateralize this stuff. Like it's de risk, mitigate, boom, like that. You gonna be good. So whatever the LLC, the corp is, make it say solutions. I mean, stuff like that. Alright. So then you want to get a PayArc as a 2DS merchant. Once you finally get these, this is fire right here. Credit union, Visa, like a business credit card. It's gonna be like 50K ish, right? Boom, go. get a credit stack, be like $250,000 around there on average. You do it correctly, credit stack, boom. You get one of these, that right there, boom. You go one of these. You do multiple LLCs like a whole umbrella. Yeah, you build them up, boom, boom. You build one, boom. You build the next one, boom, boom. American Express is valid too. Don't forget that they could approve you for like 300K on stack. Like some are charge cards. Um, that's valid. All right. Now, like you wanna build a brand, so you wanna use your phone, laptop, and like make videos that like the market like already has demand in, so you can hijack it, and they know, like, and trust you now. So whatever you decide to like sell your audience, offer to your audience, they're gonna want, like, for example, like you want to know everything about, like, check out my checklist, sign up to my newsletter. All right, you want to know everything, um sign up to my program. Boom. All right, you keep doing those throughout your videos, because they know, like, and trust you, and they get into. And it's like you want to upload like half a dozen to 1,000 plus videos. People in your niche through AdWords, you can market to those people, make your video come up first. So it's like, instead of learning this, you want to know something better, learn about what I'm blah blah blah. This is better. Boom. Oh, and subscribe. That's a whole nother one. Boom. Oh, and you want to learn more about, like, check out my free video, my thing. It has like a whole playlist of video, and you getting views, you getting subscribers, you promoting yourself through credit. And then you can have like funnels. You can have funnels. You can have motherfucking stuff promoted on these three right here. It's this the one right here where it's fire, like, um you have your stuff promoted right there, and you have on these three hold on. Okay, you want to be consistent with it in the long term. You're gonna be valid. So it's like, all right, you gotta have a funnel where it's like, boom, you adding value, transforming, where you make money or weight loss for your audience, transforming results. You want to be valid. And the best thing is when, like, your audience helps you, bring you more business and partner with you, like, in helping you, because, like, they know, like, and trust you. They just do it. That's why it's good to, like, build or like a following, like loyal followers, like valid. Um, and it's like an engine, and they want to do it for you. They want to help you. Like, it's valid. Um, yup. So you get the funnels right there. You use something like active campaign, or Mailchimp, like collect the emails of um collect and separate it from the ones that purchase. So you could probably just have a segment, and like, just to separate who the purchasers in this whole list, and then you keep like remarketing. You could sell programs like hosted events. Like, that's my goal. Like, even y'all can take it if you want. Like, all right, I'm showing y'all this to help you out. Like, all right, and then inside the funnels, you could have like schedule once. Um, you can be using ad like different ads you can create, like once hub, whatever. Like, they can schedule call you, right? It's basically, you want to get group interviews. You can run ads to these people. They're like sales people, remote people, content closers, and you want to get group interviews and put them in your team, because you want to be closing in the funnel. You can pitch for like 20K your offer, because you believe in them. They know, like, trust you. You promoted yourself. You remarketed it. You did lookalike audience marketing. So these people, like, they know, like, trust you. So you pitch them for like 20K. They know, like, trust you. So they probably do it real. And then you have closers doing it. Boom, you can run up more. Like, it's kids running up like 11 millions or funnels. boom. Now once you get like that, those are the two main hustles really. That's it. Like I have my other videos is fire too. It's like talking about some other fire, but that's the main two hustles. Hope y'all find it useful. Like, peace.